So I don't know why the brotherhood is proud of this kind of men. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back, and I'm your girl Bella. A girl is calling out a guy named Kunle for going to her honey pot after eating the whole food in the honey pot and he did not pay. I don't know, how does it feel doing a whole job and playing a match and you're being owned? After playing a whole match, the girl said Kunle ate the whole honey pot and did not give her anything. Because nobody this girl, listen to what this girl is saying.
Anybody that know Kunle should better tell Kunle that if my two eyes see him, he will be in deep pepper soup. So Kunle, you use fake ATM card to Lamo. You use fake ATM card to enter my honey pot ministry. You told me take this ATM, spend as much as you want. You climbed me. You knocked me 247. You hang my leg everywhere with fake ATM that is not working. Invalid ATM. If I don't go to Juju because of you, let me know what.
Why are you not paying somebody for a job well done? A job that is well done, you don't want to pay the person every day. I know for the good normally Obokwa content ka this girl name. Only kuku for real. Say you go on apukuje for Kunle. Makana Kunle did not pay her for a job well done. According to her, I say 247 Kunle Knacked 247, and Kunle did not pay for a job well done. She said she did on the move, and somebody say brotherhood is proud. How can you be proud of a job well done and you did not pay the person that did the job well done? Every day, cheese tina pota. Nigudo malicha nwa. Pota me video. Nobody asa go guy. Igwe obode tipia go. Omunni anoro online mpia mmia omunna fa. Ocha ode mwa. N'obodo men yasa pam pam nya pam pam onwezi mekwatalism a babe. And I know we can check it. This girl is not married yet, and she's proud that she made this video. And after somebody will say, don't forget my past. Look, this kind of past. Anyway, however you feel, please leave your comment on the comment section.